What's up, guys? So today Google sent out their first invites for Google Plus, which is their new social network, which hopefully will compete with Facebook. So if you haven't heard about this, I'm going to give you my first impressions. I've been using it for a couple hours now. I've been testing out some of the features. This is by no means a review. This is kind of just my first impressions to give you guys my thoughts on it from what I've used so far. At first. So first off, we're going to go ahead and talk about the four main features, which is really all I'm going to be talking about. So first thing is the stream, which is the thing you see right here. So you basically see all the people that you're following, you're friends with, your family, and whatever circles you're in. Now, what is circles? Circles is basically groups that you make of categories of people, whoever you want. So here I have friends, and I can select to see only my friends' status updates. So I can do that right there. You can also, again, I didn't mention this, you can comment, you can share, and +1 on any post. You got your family. You can make any circles that you want, which I'll show you in just a minute. You got following, which is kind of like, I guess, like Twitter, where you actually follow people, and this is not like you're not friends with them or family with them or anything like that. You just want to see their updates. And then I made my own circle called Fans, which is where you guys can add me. So if you want to add me on Google Plus, if you've already signed up, you can send me an invite or whatever at Google Plus, as my email is tyziphonhelp@gmail.com. So that's basically how the stream and circles work together. I'll go ahead and show you circles. So this actually looks really nice, the way they did this. You got here circles. You can add your own circles. So if I wanted to make a new circle and I wanted to call the circle name monkeys, I don't know. If I wanted to make a category for monkeys on Google Plus, I can do that. And you can invite anybody you want. If I want to drag some people into the categories, I can select them all. Drag and drop. It has a cool little animation there, as you see. So it says I got 3 people. Adds the 3 people into the monkeys category or circle, and that's basically a way to see all those people's updates, invite them to anything all at once, and it's actually really nice. Like compared to Facebook, like I like that I can say with everything that I post or anything that I do on here, only these people can see it, everybody can see it, only my friends can see it, only my family can see it. It's just really nice how they added the circles or groups feature on here. So if I want to delete this, it also has a cool animation, delete circle. It kind of rolls off the screen. Let me show you that. So there you go. I don't know, I thought it was pretty cool. So they got some cool animations, not really nice UI, which I'll talk about in a minute. Another thing is the photos. So if you click on a photo, you can actually, I don't see why they did this, but you can see all of the photos from your friends or whatever in one stream right here at the bottom. But the photos thing looks really nice. You got a comments thing over here at the side, so you can actually like say, really nice pic. And it actually updates automatically as people chat. So the photos looks nice. I just kind of think they should do some changes and be able to browse individual person's photos better. Yeah, so it kind of adds everybody's together. Didn't understand that. You can upload new photos. There's lots of stuff. I'm not getting into all the features. So if you had a Google profile before, this is not Google Plus profiles, but Google profiles. This is what it looks like now, I think, for everybody. I'm not sure if you have to be signed up for Google Plus or not. But I think this looks a lot better than what the Google profiles did before. So you got my post, everything that I've posted. I've only posted like one thing. This is my first post on Google Plus. I'm kind of liking it. You got about. You've got photos, videos, +1s, which is another feature they just added recently, and buzz, which is one of Google's failed social network attempts. So and then you can see my circles also, all the people in my circles. So yeah, and that's basically the 4 main features up here at the top, at least. Now, probably the most popular feature, the one I've been hearing everyone talk about, is called Hangouts. And there's also a few more features. I'm going to show you Hangouts now. You got Google Chat here, but Hangouts is basically like Skype for Google Plus. And I actually filmed a separate video, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that now, and I'll come back once it's done. So this is Google Hangouts. I'm here with Gray, Duncan, and Adam, and we are trying out the Google Hangouts, and it's pretty sweet. So you guys can say hey, and
What's up?
You can click their channels or their images right there, and it'll send you to their channels. Anyways, so I'm going to give you a quick little overview of this. He just disappeared. Obviously, this is a little bit buggy. So we got invite, where you can invite people to the chat, which is not popping up. There we go. So you can add people by their circles. You got your chat, where you can type in anything. You can just say hey here, and it's pretty nice. You got the chat right beside the video. You've got YouTube, which currently isn't working right now. I don't know why, but obviously this is beta, so it's not going to be working to full capacity, I guess you'd say. As somebody talks, like, it actually pops up their window, so that's a really nice feature. So Adam, if you want to say something.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Okay, it didn't do it for me, but for them it would. I guess it's just because I got my main window selected, but I can click on whoever I want to, and the video will be the main video. You can mute everybody, so, or not mute everybody, but if you click the mute button, it actually mutes it for everybody. So that's one little bug. Hopefully they didn't do that on purpose. But it actually looks nice. Like it's kind of like Skype. One thing I didn't like about it is it's in its own separate window. So hopefully they integrate it some way into the actual Google like Plus site. I didn't really like that, but I've noticed like no lag on it at all. That's one thing that I have noticed. Like when we're like conversating, like I don't notice any lag, whereas I do like on Skype or like Ustream or something like that. And as you see, like he's going away and coming back. So there's obviously there's some little bugs. But yeah, that's Google Hangouts. It's pretty nice, and I actually like it a little bit better than Skype. And you can do as many videos as you want. Actually, it's up to 10, right?
Yeah, it's up to 10.
10 to 20, I think. Somewhere around that. But it's nice. So there is Google Hangouts. So that is Google Hangouts. I'm really liking it so far, aside from the bugs that we ran into, which there was a good many of them. But they'll have that fixed eventually. So let's go ahead and show you one more thing, which is posting a stream or posting an update to your stream. You can post pictures, which you can add photos, create an album, or upload it from your phone. Right now, they do have an Android app out, and you can visit it on an iPhone on the mobile site, which is like m.plus.google.com or something like that. And they'll have an iPhone app out soon. You can add video. You can upload a video, YouTube, or from your phone. I'm curious to where that uploads to. I wonder if it uploads to your Google profile or YouTube. We'll have to see. I haven't tried that out yet. You can add links. And then you can also add location, which I'm not going to click on because I don't really want you guys to know where I am. But yeah, overall, the UI is not amazing. I'm not too excited with the UI, but I'm excited to have a competitor to Facebook. I'm interested to see what you guys think about this. So if you tried it out, if you haven't, let me know what you think about it from what you've seen so far in this video. I'm excited. I mean, like, I don't think this really could compete with Facebook just yet, but again, it is beta. I'm just curious to see if people that are on Facebook, like the regular users, people that aren't geeks like us, would adopt something like a social network from Google. I don't think they would, but I don't know. I'm happy to see somebody trying to compete with Facebook, and hopefully this isn't another failed attempt at Google doing a social network. From what I'm seeing so far, it looks pretty good. So let me know what you guys think about this in the comments below. I'm interested to hear what you guys have to say. So that's about it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. More videos coming on Google Plus, obviously. So make sure you hit that subscribe button up there, and that will let you know when I post new videos on Google Plus and everything else. All right, that's it. Peace.